It's a little pruning saw. If you follow my channel, you know that I bought a Ryobi one back during the summer, and the Chinese are coming. Okay, I got a new toy here. My wife got me this for my birthday. So if you know, if you watch my channel a good bit, you know I got one of these in the Ryobi. I'll try to link it to this video. I might put it down in the description of that video. And it only lasted like 5 minutes before it quit. And I was quite disappointed with that because I have Ryobi stuff. As you can see, I got just about every two Ryobi makes, and so I was quite disappointed. I was gonna exchange it, but they didn't have no more, so I didn't get another one. But something happened in that thing, so I just went ahead and returned it. So we're gonna unbox this today and play around with it. Okay, let's unbox this thing here and see what all we got inside the box. If I can figure out how to get it open. There we go. So we got a little carrying case. Velcros, and everything lays out. Let me show you here. Got your saw, your charger, that's your oil. I guess the battery is in here. Yep, the battery is in here. So it's pretty neat. A little case there. Let's get it out here, charge it up, and then we'll go play with it. Okay, we got it charged up. It does have a little indicator here. Tell you how many bars you got. It took a couple hours to charge this battery. I kind of wish it only came with one battery. I kind of wish it came with two. And it says it did come with some oil here. And it says every time you charge your battery to oil your chain. So we're going to oil the chain up. And we're going to take it out. And cut with it. And see how it does. Ooh, that comes out quick. And make it run, you got to push this down. So let's take it out and give her a go and see how we like it. Now the intended use for this is to take the place of like shears or stuff like that. It's not made to be a chainsaw. One reason I wanted this, is to, when I, well, just, to trim up around the house. and I can take it and deer hunting with me. Clean out like shooting lanes and stuff like that with it. Do a little pruning on this. Another thing I can do is throw this on the lawnmower, and as I ride around the edge, I can trim up my edges. Got some chippy heads there. Okay, we got a piece here that's pretty good size. We already dropped. We was on 3 bars. We done dropped to 2 after 4 cuts. Not really made for something this big. Of course, it'll cut it though. So we're down to 1 bar now. It's pretty cold out here this morning. That might have something to do with it, but having an extra battery would help a lot. Seems to have pretty good power. I don't know what size file that would take. That's a little bitty file. But yeah, for what I'm going to use it for, I believe it's going to work pretty good. And the only thing I wish, like I say, I wish it had an extra battery to play with. And because it took about 2 hours to charge that first battery. And I don't know, it lasted maybe 20 minutes of cutting. Them big ones really drained it down pretty quick. But that's about all I got on it. It'd be a great little yard tool for like springtime. You don't have to get the big loppers out or nothing like that. But thanks for watching.